this is my second attempt at making arcs with this here humming microwave oven transformer. This is the first time I've ever done this, so we wish for luck. Pray. That, I think, arced down to the primary, which is not what I'm after. So we will try again. This video is probably going to be very short because this is making me nervous and hurting my eyes. I probably need welding goggles. Thank you very much. I think that will be all because the magnetic field is pulling it onto the secondary winding. So I will make a spark gap, or at least something to extend the earth to so that it's not going to try and short down to the secondary. Thank you very much.